How to sort a list alphabetically in Python. To sort a list alphabetically, you can use the list sort method or the built-in sorted function. The list sort method in Python sorts a list in place. Staying on Alf, Brittany, Charlie, let's change the list up a little bit. We will lowercase the start of Alf and Brittany's names. If you try to just call the sort method from here, Charlie will end up at the front. Default word sorting in Python works on characters' ASCII values. To make a long description short, ASCII is a system that maps letters to numbers. It just so happens that uppercase letters have a lower number than lowercase letters, hence why Charlie ends up at the front in this. If we called the list sort method again, but made the key be stir.lower, this would sort all the names as if every name was completely lowercase. This would get the proper order once again of Alf, Brittany, Charlie. The sorted function returns the items from the container you passed in, sorted as a list. From this last bit of code, you see the key optional parameter at work. With the key optional parameter, you can specify a function to be performed on each element before the sorting takes place. Once you look at the result, you also see, though, the function you assign as the key parameter doesn't permanently change the items, though, as the R is still capitalized in the end result. Like and subscribe to learn more.